Hi, welcome back to TradeWithBernard.com. I'm bringing you 21 habits of a profitable trader each day, or every other day, or once a week, or whenever I feel like it. I'll give you a tidbit of information. Follow me, and you can learn how to avoid some major mistakes. Continuation with our series of 21 habits of a profitable trader. Number 6. Profitable traders, they focus on zones when trading with a minimal use of indicators. Like a lot of people, they'll go to like the peak line where they see support and resistance and they just draw a line. But it's actually a zone of resistance. That zone could be 5 pips wide, 20 pips wide, 30 pips wide. So when you see the signal or the pricing go into that zone, then that's a possible, or in this case, would be resistance. And when you see it kind of bounce off of these zones right here, that's where you see the support zone. But it's a zone because you see those wicks and where the candlesticks are actually closing at. Uh, that's a zone, not just one single line. So, really, really simple. If you want to learn how to be a profitable trader, just go to um, TradeWithBernard.com. That's TradeWithBernard.com. And we have a plethora of 6, 7, even 8-figure traders who are expert in this area. Thank you and have a great day.